Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the last two types of the sleepers. We have discussed about the wooden sleepers and steel sleepers in our previous video. In this video we are going to see about the cast iron sleepers and the RCC sleepers, the advantages and disadvantages and types of the sleepers, if there are any like sub classification of sleepers within this. Okay. Yes, coming back to our topic, we will see what is a cast iron sleeper. But before this, if you haven't watched the video regarding the sleepers, which are clearly explained, and the types of sleepers like steel and wooden sleepers, please go check that video in my channel, because that is a prerequisite to watch this video. Okay, coming to this topic, we have cast iron sleepers. The sleepers that are made up of cast iron are known as cast iron sleepers, which are exclusively used in India as compared to other countries in the world. Cast iron sleepers are of following types. There is pot or bowl sleeper, plate sleeper, box sleeper, CST9 sleeper, and duplex sleeper. Okay, these are the types of cast iron sleepers. This is the introduction part. See, CST9 sleepers are more successful than any other types of cast iron sleepers, such as pot sleepers, plate sleepers, box sleepers, and duplex sleepers. In this, CST9 sleepers will consist of a triangular inverted pot on either side of the rail seats as shown. Okay, see, these are the cast iron sleepers. Okay. See, this is just a rough diagram of the CSK9 sleepers. That is, it consists of a triangular inverted pot on either side. Triangular inverted pot on either side of a rail. Two pots are connected together by means of a tie rod. Okay, we'll have a tie rod in between. And CST9 is the most successful and most commonly used sleeper out of all the cast iron sleepers. Okay, next coming to the advantages. The cast iron sleepers life is more. The maintenance cost of these sleepers is low. Gauge can be easily maintained and adjusted with the sleepers. Gauge is the clear horizontal distance between the two inner faces of rails near their heads, which are forming the railway track. Okay. These sleepers are more durable, as the cast iron sleepers are not liable to corrosion. The life of that is more. The life of the sleepers normally is between 50 to 60 years. Okay, creep rails can be checked by using the sleeper. And the cast iron sleepers are also not liable to be attacked by termites, right? So that is again an advantage. And the scrap value is high, as the broken pots can be melted and remolded. Here in this box sleepers and the pot sleepers, we can just remold them, the scrap value is more. Okay. Yes, next coming to the disadvantages. More ballast is required than any other type of sleeper. The number of fittings required is more. These sleepers are liable to break, that is, they are brittle in nature, so we need to handle them more carefully. Cast iron sleepers are liable to break. Okay, these are not suitable for all types of ballast, and they require more maintenance whenever the pots are not so rigid. Okay, they need some more maintenance in this case, only for that box pot one. Okay, and they are not liable to use where track circuiting exists. Okay, this is the disadvantage of this cast iron sleeper. These are the disadvantages. Okay, going to the next type of sleeper. See, this is how the RCC sleepers would look like. Generally, we say that concrete sleepers are classified as RCC and pre-stressed sleepers. But here I am just talking about the RCC sleepers, whereas the pre-stressed concrete sleepers, that is PSC sleepers, are the sleepers in which the concrete is put under high initial compression. Initially, compression is there applied to that. Okay, all the disadvantages of the RCC sleepers are eliminated in the pre-stressed concrete sleepers. These are durable and unaffected by atmospheric influences, and which can be used for high speed track. Okay, the pre-stressed concrete can be used for high speed track. So that is generally like concrete sleepers are classified as RCC and PSC, that is pre-stressed concrete sleepers. Coming to the RCC sleepers, the RCC is nothing but reinforced cement concrete. We are reinforcing the cement concrete. Okay, we are providing the reinforcement. We have two types again in that, that is through type and block and tie type. Generally, the RCC sleepers are not used in India nowadays. These sleepers are durable and unaffected by atmospheric influences and can be cast into any required shape. As we know, concrete can take any of the shape into which it is poured, right? Concrete sleepers have long lives, generally 40 to 60 years. These are free from natural decay and attack by insects. Okay, attack by insects. It is not susceptible. It is not liable to get damaged because of this. Okay, these sleepers require less fittings. See, here when we are seeing, there is no complex fitting over here. Simply we are just having some nuts, bolts, some plates on which like fixing it to the bottom, right? These are used to transfer the loads coming on top to the bottom. Okay, next, track securing is possible in these sleepers. These sleepers provide more lateral and longitudinal rigidity as compared to other sleepers. See, when I am talking about rigidity, I am talking about its property to move under loads. It is so resistible, that is, whatever the loads are acting, it will take by being in its position. It will not move in either longitudinal or lateral direction. Okay, it will be rigid in its place. That is the main advantage of this. The maintenance cost is low. See, during its life, it is not getting attacked by any insects or not susceptible to any natural decay. We can say the maintenance cost of this type of sleeper is low. Due to high elastic modulus, these can withstand the stresses due to fast moving trains. Okay, fast moving trains will cause some dynamic forces, vibratory forces, which can be easily carried out by these RCC sleepers. Okay, next, coming to the disadvantages. Due to heavy weight, handling and transportation of these sleepers are difficult. These are heavy in weight, as we already know. Concrete is very high, like it will have very heavy weight, right? So it will be very difficult for us to handle it and transport this, okay, from the production to the site. If not handled properly, the chance of breaking is more. The renewal of track laid with this sleepers is difficult. See, whenever it is used in one place, it cannot be used again in another place. Like we cannot just take this and move to other place, right? Because the concrete in this region would be damaged. Okay, so again, the renewal of this, or like if you want to renew this, like you want to take this out and keep again a new one, that is very difficult over here. Okay, the scrap value is nil. Scrap value is the value which we get when we sell this material after its life, the intended life period of that is completed. Okay, whatever the money we get when we sell it after its intended life is completed. But nowadays we are using even the demolished waste. We are using even the crushed waste, that is we are calling it as recycled aggregate concrete. We are again making the aggregate with this type of demolished waste, but it is very less, I can say negligible. Scrap value is very less, and the like during the packaging or transporting, the bottom parts, these edges make it damaged very easily. So this is all like advantages and disadvantages of the RCC sleepers, and we also discussed about the cast iron sleepers, also the pre-stressed concrete sleepers. I told you the pre-stressed concrete sleepers are those which are put under high initial compression, which are subjected to high initial compression. All the disadvantages of this RCC sleepers are eliminated in the pre-stressed concrete sleepers. And we can say that pre-stressed concrete sleepers are more economical in the long run. Okay, and the pre-stressed concrete sleepers are durable, unaffected by atmospheric influences, can be used for high speed track. For high speeds we can use that. Okay, yes, that is it for this video, guys. Please like, share, comment to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. That would greatly help me. I appreciate you watching this video. Thank you.